Our continent is Happy for their family father, and indeed also for the house of thousands of blessings for its properties. May I again portray my deepest heartfelt condolences to the Dutch family, especially among the and children for this difference. We empathize with you in your hospital. Allow me to thank the former First Lady, the Excellency Alain and family, for looking after and caring for our commander during his illness, right through the end. Despite you, commitment and love, you exemplified peace and value, and forever engaged. Notez la maille, cerveau, yes, I saw that you will continue my support and that of my family in these moments of peace. Comrades, friends, the late founding father, Golden Blood, was a great scholar, a thinker, a teacher, and above all, a true athlete. He told the nation, led the nation, inspired the country, spoke of progress and defining the politics and economics of the people. The man who managed to pass was always our leader, our commander, mentor and our president, both in the army and the country. Among us that here are many fellow comrades from Britain and country and the world over, who went and fought alongside our dearly departed father. Their early statesmen, presidents and prime ministers, led men and women down the road, as well as dignitaries from all parts of the world, fully here at the eyes of this colossal comrade Robert W. Today, we all breathe together, feeling before it is left behind. We are humbled by the presence here to mourn us. We are equally comforted by the many more broken past Christians that send mourning tributes and express their deepest condolences. For many years, in the generations to come, we shall continue to draw inspiration from the life, the leadership, and courage, valor, and bravery of these great men we hear from the Lord Ushungo, Ushungo, Ushungo. A true statesman who visibly defended our country throughout his life. We found President of the Republic of Zambia, Dr. Mzee Kaunda, and Robert what we do always remember from the generation of leaders of the frontline states, the race and platform, such as the government of the funeral network of Angola, Sese Kama of Botswana, Sabora Moses of Mozambique, and Julius Manuel Camarade of Tanzania. Now, Mzee Kaunda, the end is around. life every sponsor by the progressive strategy, falsely framing the age-covering value, giving him national space, brutally and swiftly defining. But today, the truth is very clear and open. We honor and remember our late African heritage in our spiritual way, demonstrating that we have had friends, allies, and followers. As we move on from this side, in Rwanda, with his eyes, we shine high in the bright. We will remain self-continual to hear his speech, praise, define, and shine which we do accustomed to, but others celestial persons beyond his grace. And I really on us to be different and assist others loving and protecting our spirit, our purpose, and indeed our world hearing resources. As Africa moves forward towards integration and political strategies, it has always been ready to get up close with generation of our late Rwanda fortress. Let us boldly ready our path in setting grounds of world right. We must continue to challenge and settle opposing classes, racism, and all sorts of oppression of men and women. In Zimbabwe, we shall rally on education and high assessment and greet us when our late and education. And additionally, we understood the importance of a solid education and well-assessed technology in the future world. And Africa, let us find our reach with dreaming, research, and solving for industrial solutions, leveraging our youth populations, abundant and deep natural resources, and expressing organic markets. We cannot let behind. Our destiny is in our hands. The aid government and other founding fathers of our country played their part. Let us now play our part. Comrades, the blessings of our revolution icon with regard to this security were not only training, in ensuring the internal integrity of our great country, but had a sound impact on region and continent as a whole. These strong counts on need to protect and preserve after independence was evident within the frontline stage during the fight against communism and in arrangement with prevention and resolution of conflicts on continent and abroad. To this day, we have seen the attention of Zimbabwe Defense Forces on the national peace strategy. It is evidenced by their successful participation in various national institutions and in the of the national leadership of our great former president. And Africa, only operationalized the African continental trade area, let us be by the accused of great who was one of the consistent captains of African unity, industrialization in the Africa trade. was never seen and not the government impacted and reached very fast. Your Excellencies, Federal Government, Congress, as we all visit Southern Africa, we also remember the celebrations the nation's influence to principles. What we then come to we also remind ourselves that principles never sacrifice on the altar of peace and of God. And the leadership of Catholics of iconic we fought for democracy and the rest of others. But I will continue to consolidate independent and intense democratic tenets, constitutionalism, and rule of law, always guiding our peace, our unity, and our community. Beyond political fairness, the evolving category to end all national destiny that is our land, which has been applied by settlers over centuries. To him, this land is legacy of all legacy of our people. Yet the child of his unflinching hands, the land has now been united with people, and people have now united with their lands. Today, over 665,000 families have benefited from the land of gold, which our traditional icon led from the front. Allowing me to respect that, our land is one will never be faced. It is sacred, complete and finished. We remain firm and unshakable on the stage. Now turn to us, is be protected as we unite to realize our hard proposition. We must equally use our land sustainably with it in agriculture, mining, forestry, so that we fit to the benefit of future generations. Distinguished guests, foreign friends, our last summer present journey in a foggy world where my self-respect is self-knowledge. The journey that comes in the deep desert love of people. Our ability to accept the key principle of United Nations, which accepts the sovereign equality of nations and the fulfillment in unalienable rights of nations, big and small, strong and weak. For that boldness we must be paid through illegal, rulers and spiteful centuries, which our country lavishes under today. As we lead our country farther, our soul as a people is not growing. Colonial fall, we have done to grow our economy and improve the quality of life of our people. We are moving our country forward along the path of sustainable development. God, the mighty Western prosperous society, free from poverty and corruption. Indeed, our success is inevitable, building on the foundations laid by our great leaders, such as the late Dr. Garvey. We will constantly reform and improve our social political systems and put the interests of our own country first. We will continuously reconcile national government, reforming and guided by the ever-changing aspirations of our people. Tonight, our business, we founded in this world. Let us see this. The angels let us by our founding father. That was the reason world when this is great and corporate for collective food and share. My love is a great God. In the children of God's peace, as well as the power in the great prosperous family. All values of country must service. Our people must have food and shelter, health and sanitation. The women, the youth, and those who do business must empower and have equal access to freedom so that they can realize their full potential in their life. As the second party, we announce the voice of nation relation. The former socialization of the countries were not related to the past, and the latter to the respect for those changes which extend the past. Our arms remain straight down, with a genuine heart for such cooperation. There is no place in our modern world for the death of innocent citizens because of the suit of self-defense and true influence of that expression. As we go in our personal life, we go to the mission and the living of the citizens who vote for the past. We invite you to walk with us in your better future for our people, our region and our country. There is now a feeling of apparatus of sanctions that is in need of better in the world. We thank the African Union and the progressive world for sending us throughout these days against assets. We stand in mourning that this is the tradition by setting aside the 20th of October as a day for the abolition of the illegal substance imposed on the law. May the world be honored with any public by ensuring that sanctions in the government Zimbabwe are immediately removed. We say, leave our country and let the Minister remove sanctions now. We do not deserve it. Thank you all. You who have come from us, and our founding father, and the former president, such as Andrew Selo. Zimbabwe forever remember this grand gesture of solidarity and friendship. We will continue to count on you, your support, in our best to be strong and economy, grow economy, and improve quality of life of our people. Though we may